If you want to log out of Epic Games on every device you're signed into, this video will show you the quickest way to do it. This is super useful if you've actually logged in on a friend's console, a public computer, or you just want to make sure your account is fully signed out everywhere for security. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps in a simple way so you can do it without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and account management guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the correct site before signing in, because you always want to protect your account from fake pages or lookalike websites. Once the page loads, log in with the account you want to sign out from all devices. If you already have a session open, just make sure it's the right Epic Games account before continuing. After you're logged in, head to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking your profile name or account menu in the top corner of the page. Inside your account settings, look for the section labeled Password and Security. This is where Epic Games keeps the important security options for your account, including login controls and sign-out tools. Now open Password and Security. Take a moment to look through the page so you're sure you're in the correct section. Then find the Sign-Out option. This is the feature that lets you sign out of your Epic Games account across devices. Once you click Sign Out, Epic Games may ask you to confirm the action. This is an important step because signing out from all devices means any active sessions will be ended, and you may need to log in again on consoles, PCs, or mobile devices afterward. Go ahead and confirm the action when prompted. After that, Epic Games will begin logging your account out from the other devices connected to it. Depending on where you were signed in, this may include game launchers, browsers, consoles, and any other device that was using your account. If you were worried that someone else had access, this is one of the fastest ways to force a fresh login everywhere. Once the sign-out process is complete, your account should now be logged out on all devices. If you want to be extra safe, I also recommend changing your password afterward, especially if you signed in on a shared device or you suspect your account may have been accessed by someone else. That extra step adds another layer of protection and helps keep your Epic Games account secure. And that's it. You've now learned how to log out from all devices in Epic Games using the account settings on the official website. It only takes a minute once you know where to click, and it's a very smart habit for account security. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.